Hello. I will show you a script to quickly walk between Ghidra and WinOLS. It's needed for fast transferring maps to Ghidra. How does the script work? Let's take a look. I download our file in WinOLS, and I download file in Ghidra. File import. For example, CAD WAC group, language trigger default. Okay. Option block name maybe flash. Block address 8.123.1.2.3.4. Okay. Open file into Ghidra. No, and for example, duration map in WinOLS. I have this map. Copy address, go to Ghidra, G, incorrect address. Okay, and in Ghidra, not this map, nothing about this map, empty. And I want all these maps transfer to Ghidra very fast. But I make label in Ghidra L, and I write duration, but very slowly in this map. And I want fast transfer all map from WinOLS to Ghidra. How to do it? Step 1. Go to the site and download this script. Please save it in this folder. Okay. Next step. I export CSV all maps. Okay, export, save it, go back to site, choose file, CSV, open, and bin file, open, and click upload. Okay, download, save, Tuners Guild, save, then go Ghidra, go to this menu, run this script, choose Tuners Guild file, this option, okay, this option skip, it's for RAM, and this skip, import finished, lines, okay, close, and I see this duration map, but address I copy incorrect from WinOLS. All maps I see in Ghidra very fast, very quickly. Use it and be better than others.